Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. I'm Engineer Nyanga Fabrice. I will be presenting to you people various step by step on how to draw a circuit to control light in more than 2 positions at home. This is very important. The circuit we are about to draw is very important. So we shall be using our Android phone in order to draw the circuit. The app we shall be using is Simurelay. So we open the Simurelay app. We click on the plus sign. So we have opened the app. Before we continue, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so to subscribe. Like and click the bell icon in order not to miss any future video. So today we shall draw the circuit on how to control light in many positions, and you will see how it works and simulate it, and you will see how we control the light. So we use a switch called a Teleruptor, which is normally called a tele switch, in order to do the job. And this switch is mostly in the house, like in corridors, in large corridors, in stairs, on stairs, even in the parlor, in the sitting room, because when you enter the sitting room, you enter through the main door to go to the rooms. You go to the corridor, you can on and off the light. In fact, it is used in many applications, many domain, in many places, at home, in the magazine, in the company, in order to control light in more than 2 positions. Okay, first, this is a Simurelay environment. So we shall begin by going to the library. You can see below, just at the library here below. Below here, we have it. We have our component. These are our component below. You can see our component below. Then above, when you want to do any modification, you use this above: save, to front, play, simulate, view, hold, all. So first we need a power. We need to take a power, which is a normal to a single phase power. I mean that we need a live and a neutral. So we take line 1 and a neutral, which is N. Good. We rotate it. You go above, you click on rotate. Click and rotate. Click and rotate. And rotate. And we are done by selecting our supply. Next, we need a protective device. So we need a circuit breaker. Let's say double pole circuit breaker. So we select a double pole circuit breaker. Double pole circuit breaker. So this is a circuit breaker here. You can see 2P circuit breaker. 2P circuit breaker. So we select to bring it here. Then we connect. I've just zoomed out. Connect. We have already connected. Next, we need our switches. Our push button, normally open push button. We need our switches, which are normally open push button. Normally open push button. So this is push button NO. Push button normally open. So we select. Put them in parallel depending on the number of positions that I want to control the lamp. If you want to control using a single control, you can just select just one normal open push button. If you want to control at more than 2 positions, you select 3. If you want to control at more than 2, in fact from 2 and above, you just select the number of control you want to control. So let us say you want to control the light at in 4 position. Want to control the bulb in 4 position. So I arrange them in parallel. So that is it. I link all of them. So they are being connected already in parallel. Then the next thing we are about to do is to connect the Teleruptor, which is normally called a tele switch. On a Teleruptor, we have a coil and we have a contact. We have a coil and a contact. So we will begin with the contact, which is a normally open contact. So the normally open contact will be connected as. So we have our normally open contact, which we'll connect it here. There is a normally open contact. Then we connect it to this live. Yes. Then from there, we connect our lamp. So this is our lamp, signal lamp. So we connect it in series with the contact, with the normally open contact on the Teleruptor. So we connect it together. From now, we connect this other end to the neutral, which is N. We have connected already. After doing this, we need the coil. Since the Teleruptor is having a coil, so we need to connect a coil, which is the coil, a relay coil. So we connect it in series with all the push button, which we have connected in parallel. So we rotate it to suit so that it should look presentable. We rotate it and connect it here. Exactly. So we have completed our design. We have completed it. Now, what is left is for us to simulate. For we to simulate this circuit, we need to go on the setting, and we shall see play. This is play. We click on play. You can see current is already here. Current is already here, waiting that you on the circuit breaker. So I touched the circuit. When you want to on the circuit breaker, we just touch on it. I touch the circuit breaker, and the current is already waiting that we should send a signal to the relay. When immediately we send a signal to the relay, the bulb, this normally open, which is 13-14 contact, will be closed, and the lamp will shine on, will come on automatically. So we back. Sorry, we have to set something here. We have to set. Something should be missing. We have to change this coil. We have to change it. Let's take a impulse relay. Let us take this impulse relay coil. Let's change this impulse relay coil. Let's rotate it. And let us simulate it back. So we do the same. Good, exactly. You can see how when we click on S1, the close contact, the open contact of the coil of the Teleruptor or a tele switch automatically close, because the relay has been energized. The relay has been energized, so all the contact on the tele switch will be, all the open contact of the tele switch will be closed, and all the close contact on the tele switch will be open. But on this tele switch that we don't have a close contact. So the contact that was open on the tele switch will be closed because the coil will be energized, that or activated. So you can off this lamp at any position. You can off maybe at S4. You can on it at S4. You can on at S4, off at S2, on at S2. In fact, you can just be playing. You can see. You can on in any position and off in any position. Off here, on here, off, on, off, on, off. You can see automatic. So this is how a tele switch function. So that is how a tele switch works. That is how a tele switch works. So thank you guys. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do well to subscribe in order not to miss our future videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and share. Thank you so much.